Hello again, everyone. Alright, so the lock I have for you is a challenge lock. This is a Russwin. It's my first one, and the reason why I'm going to pick this lock right now is because I just watched Trekmaster30. Now, just so happens he sent me one of these in a package just recently that he sent me. Has an awesome key to it. Try to get it to focus for you. Yeah, has a really awesome key. It's mummied. Front and back. I mean, I love that design. I love this lock. You can see the old paint from the old house and everything. But I just watched him pick one, and I don't know, I just had the urge to pick the one he sent me. If you haven't seen any of his videos, you should check out his channel. He's an awesome lock picker and lock maker. So, you know, go check out his channel, Trekmaster30. I'm going to try to open this one and see what we have inside this one. Let's see if we can see what he put in this one for us. Alright. I think I'm going to try this 40,000. There's a lot of room in there, though. I don't know if that's going to work very good. He used a wiper blade. He had a little trouble with it, but I don't know if I got a choice. Yeah. Alright, let me see if that'll work, because I want all this room in the bottom here, because I'm going to use this steep hook that I got from Sparrows. I think it's in 20,000. Alright, let's see if we get this thing open, see what's inside this one. Alright. I think this is pin 1. A little bit from him. Find my positioning here. There we go. Alright, springy. Springy. A little bit from 2, I believe. Let's go back again. Keyway's a little weird. I think I got a little bit from 5. It's kind of hard to find the key pins. You take it out of line. Picked one of his challenge locks already. Let me tell you, he does make some really good pins. Makes great locks. He did tell me I might be starting a naughty bucket. I'm hoping it's not with this one. Oh, maybe I got something from 1. Let's go back again. That number 1, it's really hard to get it with that tension wrench there. I think I got a little bit from 4. Oh, and we're open. Alright, guys. Sweet. Wasn't that bad, but okay. Cool. Yeah, we're definitely open. The Russwin. Nice lock. Beautiful. Alright, well, let's see. Well, we do have a key. Put my knife here. Sorry, I should have already had this out. Let's see what this key looks like. Lower this just a hair. Yeah. Let's see what the key, I don't want to mess this key up. I like the key. Oh, well, that's not too bad. spinning don't seem that bad. Yeah. Alright, well let's see what he's got inside of it anyway. Grab this pin tray again. Alright, that has a regular. Okay. I do have a regular here. Alright, well let's lock it up because we do have the key. Yeah, works very smooth too. Alright, that's a nice lock. Love this lock. Alright, let's get the back off of it. Oh, that's a long screw. Okay. Tail piece off. Alright. Let me tell you, these tools have been helping me out tremendously. Yeah, and I don't think I need a shim on this one either. Alright guys, here we go, let's see what we got. Alright. Put that right there. Let's check this out. Yeah, it is a 6-pinner. They're all in, they're all working. Nice. Okay. Pin 1. Is serrated. Get my tweezers here. Pin 1 serrated with a really sharp edge on the top like he loves to do. Pin 2 triple serrated with real sharp edges. 3 double serrated, real sharp edges. 4 is, I think they call those T-pins. Waiting for a comment back on that. I'll show you that in a minute here. Alright. 5 ain't coming up, but 6 is another serrated with real dark, or deep threads, and 5 is a really nice spool with a real sharp edge on the top. Let's see if I could show you that one. Yeah. Maybe that's where I get a nice deep offset from. Yeah, and this pin here, these are what I'm trying to figure out what those are called. Please comment me on that. Yeah, and these are all really nice serrated, real deep serrations too. See? Real deep. Alright. And this here looks like he's got 1, 2, and 3, and 6. I'm sorry, let me get that back in frame. He's got 1, 2, 3, and 6 threaded. I can't get this to focus, damn it. I hate this camera. Alright. It's not going to focus for me, but he has 1, 2, 3, and 6 threaded, and 4 and 5 is undercut. Alright, let's see what we have up here. Let's see, I don't want to lose these pins. Alright, number 1 is serrated. Yep, serrations. Nice serrated. Number 2 is, well, I guess it's a serrated, spool type serrated. Can't get that to focus now. Let me see. Alright. Number 3. Serrated. Number 4. Ooh. Looks like maybe this is a T-pin. or it's a huge, a very, very, very deep spool with a sharp edge, unless you're calling that the T-pin. Waiting on some comments on these guys. I need to learn my pins. Another spool. Spool in 5. And number 6 is, I could get them, serrated. Yep, 6s are serrated. And here in the Bible, right here, I don't think he's done anything in there. Oh, we have a wafer in 5 though. I do have a wafer in 5. If I can get him out. Guess I'll have to dump the springs to get them out. Oh, and the springs are all different. I really should have paid attention to that, because number 5, the wafer is actually in the spring. It's attached to the spring. I guess that's a cool idea. You won't lose it that way. Alright, so that was in number 5. And guys, these springs were a little bit different. I'll show them to you. Sorry I didn't pay attention to what cylinder they came out. And there's either still one in there, or I may have lost one, but alright. Well, let's look in here anyways. He does have 1 and 2, or he has, let me see, this way. 1 is not threaded, 2 is not threaded, 3 is not threaded, but he does have 4, 5, and 6 threaded. Yeah, chambers 4, 5, and 6 are threaded. Okay, well that's his Russwin challenge lock from Trekmaster30. Thank you very much, sir. That was an awesome pick. Great lock. Oh, real quick, I'll give you guys a real quick look at these pins, because those are awesome. Yes, they are. Alright guys, well, if you like this video, please subscribe, and if you have any questions or comments, comment below. And for everybody else, if you don't have their permission, don't open it. Thanks guys.